Hi everybody. So you've got your Game Maker Studio game on your GitHub site and you're at home or you're on a different computer and you need that project. How do you get it off of the online repo onto your local computer? Well, let me show you how. All right, the first thing you want to do is go find your repository, your GitHub repository. And this is the basic movement tutorial, P1 for period 1. So I'm going to just click the clone or download, and it gives me this address, and I need that. Okay, now I'm going to go open a folder, and I need a new folder for my project. So we'll call it Game Maker. Oh wait, no, I already have a Game Maker folder, so we'll just name it after this. We'll call it the Basic Movement Tutorial. So I got to rename that now. Basic Movement Tutorial. Enter, and I'm just going to right click and git bash here while the folder is highlighted. And I'm going to initialize it, git init. And now I have it initialized. So now I have my account. I'm using the same account, right? So I should be able to do this. I'm going to do a git clone, remote add origin. And now I'm going to do shift insert to paste that in and hit enter. Okay, so now I'm attached. I'm going to do a git pull origin master. And that pulls in the master branch. And let's take a look at it. Basic movement tutorial. There I have it. I have the master branch. Now I'm going to type git branch. And one of the things you're going to notice is I don't see the dev. So now I'm just going to do git pull origin dev. Got my changes. All right, now I have that branch. So really, it's git init, git remote add origin, and you just paste it in. And then you pull in the master. You pull in, you can check your branches, and then you can pull in the dev. Let's take a look at the branches. Oh, I don't have dev, so I'm going to do a git checkout dev. And now I'm going to type git branch. And now you'll see we have dev and master. So I pulled it before I checked it out, but I didn't see it until I had it checked out. I'm now on the dev branch. This is the branch I want to work on. So I'm going to make a quick change, save it, and then I'll send my changes through back up to the repository and see if everything is working right. It takes a little bit to log in. I'm in. Of course, it's Game Maker Studio, so you might go, what happened here? Well, you just got to double click on a room to see it. I got these different characters here. Let's say I just want to remove it. I'm just going to use Ninja Girl, and maybe I'm going to clean up the object player and just delete it. Okay, I'm not saying this is what you want to do, but I'm just going to test this out. And I'm going to save my changes, and I'm going to test it to make sure it's working, doing WASD, and see how my character works. Well, it looks pretty good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to save my changes. Now, I think it saved it when I ran it anyway. And I'm going to close this, and I'm going to type git status to see what's going on. And we can see I deleted all these files. So now I'm going to put a git add star, which just adds everything. And I'm going to do a git commit -m removed or removing object obj player, keeping obj ninja. Enter. Now I'm going to do a git push origin dev. I'm going to push all my changes. Now I have to put in my username. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. I changed my password, so now I have to. So, oh, I almost forgot. It's a long password. I do it long because it's harder to break, so, and it's easy for me to remember, so I'm good both ways. Now I just push through to dev. Let's take a look, and right a minute, it just says here, dev. You recently pushed branches dev less than a minute ago. It already updated it here. So I could go take a look at my dev branch, look at my commits, and I can hit a refresh, and now it says it's 3 commits. And let's take a look at our commits, and we can see removing object player, keeping object ninja. So now I have worked on this computer. I pulled it in, basically pulled in the project. I managed it with Git. I pushed my changes back through, and if I get on the other computer that has it, all I have to do is do a Git pull to pull in those changes. And that's basically it. That's how you get a copy of your Git project, your repository, on a new computer. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.